Are you able to hear me? Are you getting my voice or not? Okay. You solved any problems regarding delta TV formulas? Any problems? Delta TV related problems? Anything? No? Okay. Open your NCERT book. Solution chapter open. Example 2.7 and 2.8. Open your NCERT book, page number 51. Example 2.7 and 2.8 we need to do right now. Example 2.7, 2.8. So open that is. Yes, Kb value will be changed with respect to temperature. Even Kb value, different solvents have different Kb value. Write on paper 2.8, 2.9, sorry, 2.7, 2.9 questions. Don't look solutions because I'm going to give an unsolved example. If you understood that problem, then only you can solve unsolved example. First read question 2 times, 2 to 3 times. Then try to write what is the terms they given in that question on the paper. After that, substitute in that formula, which is unknown term, that's only you can calculate. This is the process. Don't look into the solution directly. If you are looking means you can't get. Because I'm going to give one more unknown question that you need to solve, and I'm going to be make unmute, then you have to give answers. Completed? Let me know what is the difficult also. Suppose you are not understanding. You can solve 1 or 2 questions, then you can try it at least. These are very simple problems, not difficult. Nothing logic here, just substituting values only. Easiest chapters are 12th standard. And most important and easiest chapter this is. What they given in that question? Check it. 18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a, what is that one? Saucepan. At what temperature will water boil at 1.013 bar? Pressure boiling point they given. Kb for water is they given. So they're asking water boiling point of water only, no? Means solution. Background. Right, simply delta TB equal to I into KB into F M. So delta TB means TS minus T naught. I value is 1. If they are not mentioned means glucose, all these things already I provided I equal to 1. KB value 0. How much sir? 52. Molality, how much they given? That's you need to find out. What is the molality formula? Given weight by gram molecular mass into 1 by kg or 1000 by grams you can write, because they mentioned kg I can use. TS they have to find out, and T naught you know that one 300 na. Boiling point of water how much? 373 in kelvins. Is correct? Boiling point of water. Right, don't look their solutions. Okay, try first what we learn, what is the method, we know that one. TS minus 373.15, because if you convert Kelvin, degree centigrade plus 273 is the Kelvin. So water boiling point is 100 degree centigrade plus 273.15. How much will get? 373.15. Clear? Now here equal to I1 into 0.52. What is the weight of water they given? Sorry, glucose they given 118. The molecular weight is 180, sir, into 1 by 1 kg. So calculate TS only, na? So first multiply all these things. This is 10 times. Is correct? So you'll get here 0.52 by 10. We can write this is 0.052. So TS equal to 373.15 plus 0.052. So this is the solution boiling point. Clear? Don't look their answers. Just try to follow, which is we are giving methods. Have understood or not? What is the difficult here first? Let me know that one. Why you didn't respond still now? Why you didn't understand? And I need to know that one. Hey, you people less number means I thought you are highly active mode, so you can do all questions. But still, I didn't get single answer also. And batch one, batch two are comparing. Batch two people is less people, so they can understand everything. They can because less number. So you can ask all the doubts, no? Again, responding only one or two people. So try next problem. Try next problem. Write all the data each term. Don't look into solution because I'm going to give book back questions or previous NEET questions I'm going to give now. So you can't do that one. First, read question properly. Then write each term what they give like WB, I value, KB value, everything write on paper. Then substitute. Here, I am going to be ask you, sir, you people now answers. Bahirati, I'm going to be ask you people be ready that one. Anish Karthik, Pragadish. I'm going to be ask you anyone, sir, here. Veda Bhairavi, I'm going to be ask you, madam. Sanjita, all the people. Raja, I'm going to be ask you. Please do that question. Just log in, then you are. I don't know you are doing or not also. First write on paper. What is the terms they can write on paper? Completed? If completed, let me know that one. Done? They are not responding anyone again. Sir, again, only 3 people are responding, sir. Again, same. Two or three people only responding always. Why remaining people? What is the problem? Hey, now only I read that people names. Those people are not responded still anything. Any seeker host available? Karthik or Vishnu? Any seeker host available? They will note down your names on paper, sir. Then they will call you again. Okay, fine, sir. I think you won't respond anything. Let them call at least once better now. But every time I can't ask you, sir. Are you respond. You are looking, you are studying because of me only looking this is. You don't have any interest. Huh? You can wait some of people names first. It's better. I hope you know that punishments are what I'm going to be ask you. Complete class notes theory, how to write 20 times, sir. That is a punishment who are not responding when I'm asking. We are not asking. Whenever I'm asking, you are not responding means 20 times you need to write complete class notes. That's I'm going to be. Yuvashri, you done? Vimal Raj? No, still only few people will respond. Are not participating most other people in active mode. Hari Rohit, Ilekya, Karunya, Roshni, Sikinder. Sir, it's starting Bhairavi something, sir. Huh? Bhairati. Why you people are not responding? What is the difficult first? Why you are not able to do sums? I know what is the difficulty here. I'm reading these people send your rough notebook through WhatsApp. I'm reading these people who are that people with the name, section name, send. N Pragadish, you have to send today your rough notebook. Where did you practice everything? Next, Anish Karthik, Bhairathi, send your rough notebook. Lexwin, Srija, Aditya T, Harini, Nivash Kumar, Samir Ahmad, Karunya, Roshini, Sikandar, Soumya, Preeti, Kirtana Lakshmi, Virendran, Annapurni, please send those people what you done rough work. Send whatever you done rough notebook. Where did you practice all the class notes, theory and sums? Suppose you are not getting, why you are not asking then? Sir, we don't know how to solve. Fine. You don't know, correct only. Then you should be asked, na? If you are not asking means I won't get any dream. Some X% didn't understand. Even that too we went this week very, very slow. You know that one? Very, very slow we went this week. First you wrote, which is the WBWA, that is everything. They're asking related to boiling point or any other thing first. They're asking related to boiling point only. So what is the boiling point related formula? Write first very clearly formula on paper. Write everyone on paper. Delta TB. Delta TB equal to I into KB into M. Delta TB nothing but TS minus T naught. Note down, this is the same formula I'm using every time. Remember this formula? KB into M equal to what is the formula? WB by MB into 1000 by WA. What is that? A means solvent. B means solute. If they mention anything non-volatile, okay, non-electrolyte like that, those are solute. Or otherwise, which is more amount is there, that is solvent. Less amount is there, that is solute. Note on that points. Non-electrolyte, non-volatile, the terms they mention, those are solute, means WB and MB. That is related. Wherever we dissolve in that way, that is which is dissolving, that is solute. Which is the more amount you are taking, that is solvent. They will provide na alpha value or not. If they provide alpha means weak electrolyte. If they are not provide means that is strong electrolyte. Again, boiling point of benzene. So you can write boiling point of benzene means T naught, that is which is initial value. If pure means that is T naught only. Solution means this is right. T naught equal to how much they given? Note down first 353.23 Kelvin. When 1.8 grams of, which is less amount dissolves, that is solute. 1.8 grams of non-volatile solute. They mention solute means WB, right? WB equal to 1.8 grams. Next, was dissolved in 90 grams of benzene. This is the solvent, na? Benzene is more amount, that is solvent. So solvent is WA, 90 grams. Then the boiling point of raised 2 means solution. After adding that boiling point of solution, that is after mixing solution only, that is TS. How much they given? 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of the solute. Solute means MB. That is MB, we don't know that one. Then KB they given. What is the KB value? 2.53. Now substitute above formula, which is you are known that point, that you can calculate. What is the difficulty here first? What's the difficult here? Let me know that one. Array, note down first point, which is less amount, that is solute, which is they given more amount, that is solvent. Note down that point first. Array, physical chemistry is the easiest thing compared to organic. Very, very easy this is. But you are not showing interest with respect to this is also means, then you are organic, I don't expect from you people, sir. You done anything by understanding. I don't believe that one. Then what about you can think about your chemistry then? What is the status of chemistry, everyone? Array, now 49. So they left 10 people, sir. Very good, sir. Array, who are left? They told network is not good. I won't believe that one. First thing, what is the difficult here? I need to know that one. Array, they didn't mention means non-electrolyte means I value is 1. I given one table, one top factor. Gautam, can you check it that table starting one like given glucose, urea, sucrose? What is the in fact I value I given? That indicate you are not reading table class notes. And if you read class notes 2 to 3 times, you can get question very fast, sir. Very fast you can get. Need questions very easy than this, which is we are doing NCRT questions. Very easy those questions. Need questions. No, we can't continue. This is we can't continue long time. Suppose you are not understanding, just I am completing chapter. That is not good. So you need to express your doubt. Then only we can proceed, no? Otherwise, at least you have to practice at home 5 times, 3 times, write and come back. Sir, I done this work, but I didn't understand. You have to ask that is. You're not asking, you are not practicing. So useless that is. Array, already I asked you some people you have to send your rough work. Then only I can believe. Based on that, I will call you remaining people also. So Balakiri is today is not there. Who are conducting seeker host. If he is there means that tomorrow we can take next class starting only. Right, next. Depression and freezing point. Open your NCRT book. Little bit fast. Open your NCRT book. Depression and freezing point. Open your NCRT. Depression in freezing point. So note down first all the formulas. Delta TB formula, what is the delta TB, sir? Delta TB equal to I into KB into M. Freezing point, instead of B, I have to write F. Then all formulas same. Write all formulas first. Depression in freezing point. Write all these formulas. Wherever B is there, just you can write F. Wherever B is there, then you can write F. Yes, up to delta TF you have exam. Up to delta TF. Now please note down these formulas little bit fast. Just I change, instead of FB I wrote F only. Everything is same. Complete. This is F, sir. Wherever is there B, that place F, just enough. That's remaining, everything is same. Delta THF. Right, sir? Everything is, all these are same. I think class next class continuous next class కాడే కూర్చోవాలి ఈ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ వాళ్ళు completed. At least copy little bit fast now, that is better. Latent heat of fusion. F means latent heat of fusion, previously given LV, latent heat of vaporization. Anyway, that terms we are not going to use in physics. We may can see means how much heat you have to provide for fusion purpose. Okay, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of delta H, again this is also fusion. Enthalpy of fusion, molecular weight. Here molecular weight is solvent. Keep in mind, we are discussing everything with respect to solvent only, not solute. R means universal gas constant, sir. R means universal gas constant. TF means freezing point of the solvent. TF means freezing point of the solvent. Okay. Now we know that one. Check it here. Open your NCERT book. Then draw the graph little bit fast. Open your NCERT book, sir. Again on graph also you can provide, that is, formula is same. How to solve problems already you know that one, which is the given values, right? Then substitute, then you'll get answer. This one graph is there, which is vapor pressure versus temperature, sir. Vapor pressure versus temperature. This is pure solvent. And this is pure solution, sir. You know that one. Solvent this is. Which one have high vapor pressure, sir? Solvent or solution? Already we discussed that one. Solvent or solution? Which one have? This is only solvent. Assume that one A, whatever you want. It have vapor pressure, that is P naught. Okay. And here I am adding non-volatile solute. You may can take whatever. This is solute we are adding. by adding solute some of the surface molecules occupied by solute also. So that's why vapor pressure of the solution is decreases, which is vapor pressure now here, that is PS. Which is more? Generally P naught is greater than PS. Is it clear? So this is solvent. So PS should be less than P solvent. That's why I'm going to be draw this one down. This is solution. If more is there, I make and drop, but less is there. That's why I wrote down. Now check it. So corresponding temperature, this is point here, sir. This is T naught. Corresponding temperature, I'm not taking maximum temperature, minimum temperature because of freezing. Minimum temperature which is there given, you can take this is Ts. Because this solution temperature, this is, which is T naught, that is P naught, sir, corresponding value. This is PS. Clear? So which is more? P naught is more than PS. That's why P naught minus PS. Which is more, sir? T naught or TS? Which is more here? T naught is higher than TS. Look into this graph. This is T naught, this is TS, just corresponding temperatures. That's why T naught minus TS. So I can write this is delta P and this is delta T. So write delta T directly proportional to delta P and directly proportional to M. So you can write delta TF equal to KF into M. After that, we know that one final formula in terms of KF. This is the final one. So by adding any non-volatile solute, vapor pressure decreases. When vapor pressure decreases, this is solvent only. Vapor pressure decreases means its freezing point also decreases because both are directly proportional. Vapor pressure decreases means its freezing point also going to be decreases. Let's we prove that one. You can check it here. Very simple. This is here initially P naught is there, more vapor pressure, sir. This is yes or no? This is less vapor pressure, and assume that one temperature is same here right now. Both have something 25 degrees centigrade. Assume that one. This is the vapor pressures. Now this is more, but I need to get same vapor pressure means it have P naught is more compared to here. Assume this is 10 is there vapor pressure, this 20 is there. To decrease vapor pressure, temperature I need to decrease. I am going to decrease this temperature. Then only it become equal vapor pressure. Are you getting my point? So that's why PS is less vapor pressure means less freezing point, more vapor pressure means more freezing point. So it is have more vapor pressure means it temperature also more. It have less vapor pressure means the temperature also less. That's why T naught is greater than Ts. T naught is greater than Ts. By adding any non-volatile solute, vapor pressure decreases. So vapor pressure directly proportional to delta TF. So delta TF also decreases, means freezing point also decreases. This is the reason we are using salt to clear in cold countries ice. When they fall down snow or ice on the roads, how to clean that one? By adding salt, NaCl, CaCl2 like that. By adding NaCl or CaCl2, freezing point of the ice going to be decreases. When freezing point decreases means they can melt very fast. Suppose freezing point 5 degrees centigrade is there one compound, other compound have 0 degrees centigrade which can melt very fast at room temperature. 5 degrees centigrade melt slowly, 0 means they can melt very fast because outside temperature is more. That's why which one have less freezing point that can melt very fast. By adding any salt to any solution or solvent, that freezing point going to be decreases. Note on that point, freezing point going to be decreases. Or if you have any doubts, you can ask. If you are not asking means I can't know. I don't know that is what is your way. Huh? If you understood or not. You can mention any doubt. We'll try to clarify that one. After noted down that graph, please note down this also. Up to this, you can note down. Huh? Up to this, you can note down. And note down delta TF equal to T naught minus TS, sir. But TB equal to TS minus TS. Don't get confusion. Once completed, let me know that one. That's why we are not seeing top temperature. Now I am seeing lower temperature. Freezing means lower temperature. Boiling means you have to see top temperature. You're getting my point? For freezing point, you have to see lower temperature. For boiling point, you can see higher temperature. Now we can see actually you didn't get that point exactly. I think so that's why we are asking. One more time I'm explaining simple thing. Please look here. Suppose this is a water. Same example I'm taking. It has some vapor pressure. Assume that one this is 100. Solution. Same temperature is constant I'm maintaining, sir. This is we are adding non-volatile solute B. Then its vapor pressure is 80. Okay. But same temperature. Previously what we done that one in vapor pressure case, this is 100. I have to maintain this also 100 means I have to increase temperature here. That's why PS temperature is greater than TS is greater. Is it correct? To maintain same pressure, I increased this one. That's why TS is greater than T naught. That is the vapor pressure case we done. Any doubt up to this? Vapor pressure we done. What's the vapor pressure we done, sir? To maintain same pressure, I need to increase temperature. Then only I will get same pressure. But here, to maintain same vapor pressure only, here also, here this is 80, this is at same temperature. Here also temperature 10 degrees centigrade, and here also assume that one 10 degrees centigrade. But I need to maintain 80 only vapor pressure both, but this is 100. If I decrease this vapor pressure to up to 80 means this temperature also going to be fall down. Understood? At 10 degrees centigrade this 100 is there, but I need to get 80 only vapor pressure means I need to decrease temperature. If decreases pressure means temperature also decreases because those are directly proportional. That is the reason boiling point, so freezing point going to be decreases. No, Van 't Hoff factor I value doesn't change. I'm not going to be consider I going to be changed with respect to that. Okay, that is existing temperature already decreases. I don't want to maintain that is automatically that decreases temperature. So now open example 2.9 and 2.10 examples. NCERT open exactly 2.9, 2.10. Now we discuss everything clearly how to write on paper. Write on paper what they given. Then try to substitute. Very simple all this example. These are not tough problems. Very simple. What they given term you can read, which is electrolyte, which is non-electrolyte is a solute, which is more amount is a solvent, right? T naught, TS they will mention T solution or water or solvent like that. Write those things. Symbols already you know that one. T naught is the pure, TS is the solution. Mention that is. 2.9 and sorry 2.10 only, no 2.10, 2.11. With respect to freezing point, whatever they given, please write. We're done. What is the question? Completed first question. Write first on paper what the terminology they given. At least identify which is solute, which is solvent. It's not difficult task, na? What is the delta TB equal to formula, right? So delta TF equal to right formula.
Download BYJU'S, the all new and personalized learning app.
Forty-five grams of ethylene glycol mixed with 600 grams of water. Which is less amount? Which is more amount? Ethylene glycol less amount. So that is solute or solvent? Solute. Write the terms. Less amount is solute, more amount is solvent. So ethylene glycol formula they given. You can calculate the molecular weight. First you have to know writing of the formula on paper. Delta TF equal to T naught minus TS. Already given, sir. Please note down. Delta TF equal to nothing but T naught minus TS. Okay, because T naught is more than TS. Yet freezing point decreases, less than 0 you will get. T naught of water, how much, sir? T naught means water freezing point 0 degrees centigrade. If you convert Kelvin, please note down. Water freezing point 0 degree centigrade, convert that is 273.15 Kelvin. This is the 0 degree centigrade or Kelvin. If they're asking Kelvin means you can use Kelvin, or degree centigrade means you can use degree centigrade. I into Kf into M value. What is M formula? WB by MB, right? Every time write this full form. Into 1000 by WA. This is the your formula. Keep in mind, this is you have to write every time this is formula. Kf you can take from previous question, doesn't matter. And then T naught is 0, this is fixed. Otherwise, first calculate delta TF. I value is 1. If they are not mentioned, means I value is 1. Kf value, how much they given? The mentioner you can take from previous question, no issue that is. Kf is fixed that one, 1.86 into WB, how much? 45. What is the molecular weight of ethylene glycol? You can calculate, sir. Formula they given, so you can calculate. They mentioned 62 only. And 2000 by, what is the WA they given? 600. This is the answer. Then calculate delta TF value. Calculate delta TF, because everything you know this one. After calculating, use above formula. T naught minus TS equal to, what is our value? Then TS equal to, you can write. TS should be less than T naught. Keep in mind, TS should be negative values only, will get 99% negative values. Less than 0 means negative only, sir. Depression, what is the meaning? Depression means something decreases. Depression. Done. Can you try one more question? Or check it. If any doubt, still you can ask. And what is the difficult? Why you people not able to do this one? Which term you are not getting? Generally, they will give KB, KF values. Otherwise, take water values. Remember. No, do followed by some question. 2.10 is there, na? 2.10 you have that one. Otherwise, you make and try this question also. This is the question. You can try it. Only 2-line questions. Note down here. 0.1 molar aqueous solution of. I note down this 2 lines question. Later you can do NCERT question. Right. 0.1 molar aqueous solution of a weak acid is 30% ionized. A weak acid is 30% ionized. If K for water is 1.86 degrees centigrade per mole per molality, that is M means molality, the freezing point of the solution will be, take that weak acid is monobasic acid, sir. Sorry, monobasic means like acetic acid, that will give 2 ions, N equal to 2. Monobasic acid, you can keep in mind. Monobasic acid. So monobasic means like this, weak acids. So N value is 2. Like this is the way you have to think. So first thing you have to calculate I value. Try first how to get I value, you know that one, na? For I equal to 1 plus N minus 1 alpha. Substitute. Try that question. Alpha is 30%, means 0.3 alpha equal to 30%. They given ionized. Alpha is 30%. Correct. 100 by 30 by 100. Nothing but 0.3. Minus 0.24 degree centigrade. Correct answer, sir. Correct. Sanjita, which you are giving answer is correct. First try on paper. If you are not keeping on paper, you can't get. I am here just helping for you. Don't misunderstand me. Suppose you are not doing, you are silent. I am also complete my class. What is the matter for me? Nothing going to be happen me anything. Okay. But you won't learn. That's enough. You are losing. Not I am not losing. I have too many batches. Any student they are getting good rank, that's going to be credit for me only chemistry. But what about you? You are the only one person. You are doing for your family. You are studying. If you are not studying, you are going to lose complete your life. Not me. Good chance you are losing. That's why in your life. So that's why take positively, think positive, and do heartfully. Don't do because of me. Anyway, thank you very much. Take break. We can see next class. Okay. Thank you.